November 6 Sierra Delta is leaving 350 for 290, request lower.
Sierra Delta, roger. Stand by for lower.
Standing by for lower, stop at 290 Sierra Delta.
November Sierra Delta, contact Moncton. Sorry, make that Gander Center, 120.4. Good day.
20.4, good day, Sierra Delta. Gander, good morning. November 246 Sierra Delta is cleared. Level 290, request further descent.
November 246 Sierra Delta, Gander Center, good day. You're clear to Mason. That's Mike Alpha Sierra India November. Descend to 14,000. 6 Sierra Delta, roger. Contact Goose Rack now on 119.5.
19.5 Goose Bay, thank you.
November 246 Sierra Delta, descend 4,100.
Continue descent 4,100, November 6 Sierra Delta. $4,100 set. Transition level, the altimeter 2970.
November 246 Sierra Delta, clear to the Goose Bay Airport, RNAV approach, weight 26, Mason transition.
Clear to the Goose Bay Airport via the RNAV 26, Mason transition, November 6 Sierra Delta.
November 246 Sierra Delta, tower 119.1.
To the tower, thank you sir, November Sierra Delta. Very good morning, Goose Tower, November 246 Sierra Delta on the RNAV 26.
November 246 Sierra Delta, good morning, the winds are 290 to 11, gusting 17, the altimeter is 2970. Number 2, found the Platus jet there on the 5 mile final, report DACA.
Continue number 2, 2967 back to next on the RNAV. DACA is a reporting point on the RNAV 26, we'll report next.
Roger, and confirm the altimeter is 2970.
Altimeter 2970, November Sierra Tango. November Sierra Delta of the field request a left-hand visual approach available number 2.
46 Sierra Delta, standby. 46 Sierra Delta, you're clear for the visual approach, runway 26, report turning final.
Report for the final next on the visual 26, cleared for the visual 26. November Delta.
Wind check 290 to 11, gusting 18.
Copy, November Sierra Delta.
Sierra Delta, winds are 290 at 12, clear to land 26.
Clear to land 26, Sierra Delta. Three checks for flaps 10. The gear is now on 3 greens, no reds.
Wind check 300, 11 gusting 16.
Okay, flaps all checklist is completed, aircraft is ready for landing.
$500. Minimums.
Continue.
$100. $50. $40. $30. $20. $10.
Delta request a quick backtrack and then on Bravo.
2460 Delta, backtrack 26, right turn on to Bravo, ground 121.9.
Backtrack Bravo 121.9, thank you, November Sierra Delta. Very good morning, ground King and November 2460 Delta Bravo to Woodwards, please.
2460 Delta, ground taxi, Papa to Woodwards.
Papa to Woodwards, Sierra Delta. Auto landings are completed.